Hi guys, welcome to this project here. We have a system. We're working on OpenBox, so this is not my virtual machine window there, but we're on ArcoLinux B OpenBox that we've built this morning that has now the latest configuration, and on it we've built this one, ArcoLinux F. Well, it's based on ArcoLinux B Chadwm, and we mixed it together with ArcoLinux Xanmod, so hence the name. It's called ArcoLinux Xanmod. But it's the combo of XFCE and Chadwm with NSDDMK. We told them, don't want to boot you. I don't want it to be booted into XFCE, which would be like this, not 4, but just that. And if you want to boot in something else, it's going to be Mate or Plasma. And the guys of Wayland, Plasma Wayland, right? So know your names, that's it, simple as that. And then Control X, yes, enter, done. So now SDDM knows I need to auto log in into this one. I left you in the previous video, so 3 videos of this tutorial. You can find it on arcolinuxb.com, menu tutorials. Software. There is hardly any software. Alt N, new wallpaper in the meantime. Getting software is something I recommend you do with a script, because scripts are yours. So copy paste this thing and start changing it and put it on your own GitHub, right? What we got here is now a data and a bunch of things. So this is what you need to copy paste and change. What I do is make specific, let's not do it like that. Don't like it when it does M here, monocle. Don't like it like that. It's not tiled, right? So right mouse click, open terminal. I run 0 and that's it. And I walk away, take a coffee, go for a walk, whatever, right? I have made decisions. Don't want that, don't want that, don't want that. So this is a critical thing. Go and have a look at the 400. If you don't see what's happening there, that's the first thing I do, right? I end up in Archcraft, I end up in EndeavourOS. I've just installed it. I will remove things from those guys. And I will decide, if you're on a Riser, do this. If you're on Big Linux, do that. If you're on Sierra, do that. If you're on Gorilla, do that. If you're on EndeavourOS, you do that. If you're on Cardi, do that. If Archman, do that. Archcraft, do that. ArcoLinux, do that, right? Be in control. Be in control. Get rid of the things you don't want. Install the things you do want. And that's it. That's all I'm saying. So we shall wait, right? We shall wait for everything to install. It means a lot of packages, but basically I could save myself some bandwidth. Not that it's important for me, but I could save myself some bandwidth by just saying Control C, say stop, 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 stop. I don't want this anymore, right? You know what the meaning is. Go for the Nemesis scripts. You can keep exactly the same names and everything, but the thing is github.com/Eric Dubois. The Eric Dubois should be different, right? That's your name, your GitHub. It's for free. Create one, put it there, and create something similar so you can git clone it, and then you run it wherever you are, on whatever ArcoLinux based system you are. You say sudo pacman- remove and sudo pacman -s install. All right. Enjoy your new system. Cheers.